It's interesting like how uneven your guys' floorings are, and y'all don't even care. This is what you're talking about with heating with baseboards. We're gonna walk around a house that was built in the 1800s, and we're gonna do a part 2 of this, and part 2 is gonna be Justin telling you guys how he found the deal and the numbers of the deal. All right guys, so creative finance is super interesting, is that this deal, although it is a BRRRR strategy deal, has a creative finance component to it. So Justin Tuminowski, all the way from New England, we came all the way to New England to stand right here on a house that was built in the 1800s. Yeah. Look at these nails, by the way, guys. Check out these nails. We came all the way out here, guys, to tell you about something very creative that you can do on a BRRRR deal. So if a seller wants too high of a price, and you know that you're going to go to a lender and say, hey lender, I want you to pay for my purchase price and my construction, but your seller wants too high of a price. What is a great strategy that you can do with getting the number that they need?
Just ask them if you can pay them in payments. Take time. As you might call an installment sale, but we did a seller carry.
So let's say your purchase price here was $260.
Yep.
But you only wanted to buy the property for $200.
Yes.
So how did you structure that?
So we said, I can give you the $200 now. So they were happy with getting that cash. There was $60,000 they wanted to hang on. They just couldn't let go of that $60,000. So they said, you know what? No problem. I asked them if they would like to do seller finance. They said, no problem, as long as we get our money. So we have $600 a month. 100 months, 0% finance, 0% interest.
So here's what's really cool about this. He gets $200,000 from myinvestorloan.com, buys the property. He creates a second position note for the seller. Is it currently securitized here?
It's secured on here. It's a subordinate second.
Okay, so it's in second position. If you guys don't know what second position means, go into my YouTube channel. I explained that a couple of different times on specific videos. At some point, you're going to refinance out your construction loan, your private money lenders, and you're going to get a new loan on this.
Yeah, we're already shopping interest rates right now. We're looking at 6.25, 6.5. We're going to cash out, so we're going to take that second position loan, that seller carry loan. We're going to shoot it at the house across the street that we also own. And we are going to then refinance this property. So a lender will be happy with being in first position and no one behind them.
Why is he taking the second position note and moving it to the property across the street? Is because the new lender that's going to refinance Justin out of the current lender, they're going to say, hey, what's this second lien position on this property right now? We can't refinance a house as a second lien position. So Justin goes, oh, I understand creative finance. I can take this piece of paper that has secured my seller in a second position here, and I will just put that piece of paper over at that property because I have equity there that makes sure that that seller is taken care of. So the payment doesn't change,
no.
The terms don't change, just where the agreement is sitting is there instead of here.
And they have a better property that they can just collateralize, use as collateral.
So what's cool is he's doing the BRRRR strategy with a creative finance component. Learning just that, understanding how to move a second position, a note from one house to another, is worth millions of dollars of future potential. Because Justin, if you're competing against another wholesaler here or another fix and flipper, and Justin comes in and goes, I can get you 260, as long as you let me pay you 60 grand over time, I can get you 200 grand today. Do you think you're going to lose to any wholesaler that doesn't understand creative finance?
We're going to beat them every time.
You beat them by 60,000 bucks.
Every time.
No matter where you are in the country, if you're looking for somebody to help you out with creative finance, you have a deal you want somebody to look at, get in touch with Justin Tuminowski or Ted Miller. You guys are currently collaborating a lot, right?
We are, yeah, we're partners.
Okay, yeah. Damn, you guys are partners now?
Bro, we met at the mastermind too,
and
thanks to you.
You guys became partners there?
Yeah, we're partners now, yep.
Have you become blood brothers? Have you like cut each other's thumbs and rubbed blood together yet?
Well, only with that rusty nail.
Okay,
yeah,
it with the rusty nail.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Lockjaw.
We'll make sure you guys have Justin and Ted Miller's contact information down below if you guys need a little bit of help. You run into a cash deal like this, you're stuck, you can't quite make the numbers work, reach out to these boys, they'll help you as long as you're willing to cut them in on the action. And we'll see you in the next video.